On Friday, April 5th, the BLS released the latest reading on the U.S. labor market. Now, the number exceeded expectations with a headline of 303,000 jobs created versus a forecast of 214,000. Short-term interest rates moved higher as expectations for near-term Fed eases faded. The U.S. two-year yield shot up from 4.67% just prior to the number to a 5-month high of 4.8% on April 8th. The Fed funds market now places a probability of only 60 basis points of easing by the end of 2024. That's down from a high of 170 basis points back in January, according to the CME FedWatch tool. Now, on April 10th, we'll see the latest read on U.S. CPI. Expectations are for a year-over-year rise of 3.4%. That's up from last month's rise of 3.2%. If this number continues its pattern of surprising to the upside, it could force short-end yields up higher still. Now, there's an interesting variable in the inflation discussion, and that's the price of oil. Crude has been on a blistering rally that has it up 8% since March 27th and 25% since mid-December. Most analysts believe that rising fuel costs have the potential to push inflation even higher by increasing corporate input costs, while at the same time, though, it's also draining cash from the consumers through higher prices at the pump. This could create stagflation and make the Fed's job that much more difficult. Now, if a trader believes that two-year yields could continue rising from here, they could express that by buying the April two-year yield contract at 4.68 and target a move to the psychological level of 5.00. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 4.45. This trade can make $320 if the target is reached and risks $230 if you're stopped at your level. If a trader believes that two-year yields could drop from here, they could sell that April two-year yield contract at 4.68 and target a move back to February lows of 4.25. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 4.92. Now, this trade could make $430 if the target is reached and risks $240 if you're stopped out of your level.